Okay, so question 12 was, a learner measured the length of a line to be 2.2 centimeter. If the actual length is 2 centimeter, find A, absolute error, B, percentage error. Okay, so you need to find the absolute error as well as the percentage error. So let's start with A, which is absolute error. So how do you find the absolute error? So to find the absolute error, we write AE. Now that is absolute error. So A from absolute, E from error. Okay, so we are going to write absolute error is equal to, okay, recorded value. So this is the value the child recorded, then minus true value, the actual value of the line. Okay, so what is there is the formula is, to find the absolute error, you need to subtract the recorded value minus the true value. Okay, so what is the recorded value? So I'm going to write to equal to, so what is the recorded value? So the recorded value, this is the measurement of a learner, which is 2.2 centimeter, then which will be subtracted, which we are going to subtract from which we are going to subtract the actual length, which is the true value, which is 2 centimeter. Okay, then 2.2 centimeter minus 2 centimeter will give us 0.2 centimeter. So 0.2 centimeter, this is the absolute error. Okay, now let's go to question B, which is percentage error. So we are going to use this formula, which is going to be percentage error, which I'm going to write as PE is equal to relative error. Okay, now let me talk about relative error, because if you're not careful, this is going to complicate the lesson, but if you're very careful, or if you have an idea, it won't. But let me talk about relative error. So to find relative error, what you need to do is, let me write on the other side of the screen. So as you can see there, RE in pink stands for relative error, which is equal to the absolute error divided by the actual value. The absolute error divided by actual value, that is relative error. Okay, which is going to be multiplied by, now let's come back to where I'm working. I think you have understood about the relative error. Now let's go to finding percentage error. So we're going to say P is equal to relative error multiplied by 100%. Okay, once we have done that, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the values of relative error. So to find relative error, we're going to write the absolute error over 2 centimeter. Okay, absolute error over the true value. So we're going to write the absolute error we found was 0.2 centimeter. So we're going to write 0, which is equal to 0.2 centimeter over, so the true value is 2 centimeters, so it's going to be over 2 centimeter, which will be multiplied by 100%. Okay, once we have done that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 0.2 centimeter by 100%, which should give us 20 centimeter percent, which will be divided by 2 centimeter. It's going to be divided by 2 centimeter. So when we are going to write equal to, then we're going to divide by 2, it's going to be cancelled, it's going to be 1. Okay, then we say 20 centimeter percent divided by 2 centimeter, it's going to give us 10%. Okay, that means the centimeter down and the centimeter on top will cancel each other. Then 2 divided by 20 will give us 10. Then the percent is remaining, so we're going to put percent sign to 10. Okay, so in this question 12A was 0.2 centimeter and 12B was 10%. Okay, let's go to question number 13.